I've had some people ask me about the tension spring for the needle of a sewing machine. Now this is a JCPenney model, and this is the spring right here. If you follow it up, this is the presser foot tension knob. And what this does is it applies pressure on the spring so that your presser foot area, which I don't have a presser foot on this right now because this is a parts machine that I have just to demonstrate, and it increases the pressure on the actual presser foot. See if I can. So let me go around to the front so you can get a front view of this. Like I said, this is a machine that in shipping it got damaged, and so now I get to use it for parts. That's always fun. So presser foot lever, excuse me, can't talk today, is back here. Let me shut this door so you can see it. There's your presser foot lever, which raises your presser foot and lowers it. Raises it, lowers it. Now, if you lower it and you find that your fabric is not feeding through, it's under the foot, the feed dogs are working right, but the fabric's just not sliding through, it could be that your presser foot tension is off. Not your thread tension, your presser foot tension, this thing right here. So to adjust that, you go to the top and you turn it to the right, and it will add pressure onto that spring. I love these old machines that have the doors that open up like this. It's hinged because you can get into it. You don't have to unscrew any screws. You just open it up. That's why I prefer the vintage machines. A lot of them have that feature. Now, if I needed to get to that spring back there, for whatever reason, that it would need to be replaced, you would need to take this plate off. This plate has to come off to get back in there, to get to it. This is your needle height adjuster, so that when you hand turn the wheel, it'll only go so far. If you need to adjust that height, you will take an Allen wrench or hex wrench, whatever you want to call it, and you would put it in here, turn it to the left, loosen it up, and then slide it up and down. I hope that answers your question as to where the spring is. That affects the presser foot tension because it's right along the bar. You don't typically have to adjust the pressure on your presser foot, but if you do, that's the spring that does the adjustment for you by turning this either to the right to tighten it or left to loosen it. There are some old models where you could just push it down. There's a button in the center. This one, it's actually you turn it. Others that I have, you press it down and to engage it or disengage it.